This is Opal from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. It's a very nice lime green. This is the shirt front. It has shades of purple and teal. Very gorgeous design all over. These are some borders that come with it. This is a purple border on organza. Very nice and beautiful. This is the most gorgeous part of this design. This is the organza border that goes on the front. Very nice and thick border. These are the sleeves. They have very cute motifs on them in purple and teal. And to complement the sleeves, we have these organza borders. It comes with a plain back, and this is a textured woven dupatta, which is in contrast to the whole design. It has this lovely border on the ends as well, and it comes with a plain trouser.